my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to make a delicious Irish soda bread. Nice traditional recipe that they love in Ireland, and you can make it yourself. So enjoy the video. If you really do like it, please do support me by giving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell icon so that gives you a reminder of when the videos come out so you don't miss any. So enjoy. So this recipe is so easy. So before you start doing anything, put your oven on 230 degrees so the oven is lovely and hot. And there's hardly any ingredients in this, and I'll show you how simple it is to actually make. This particular one has got no butter, but in other recipes, in other videos, I will show you a recipe with the butter in. So just sieve your white flour into your mixing bowl. Right, so now we have a level teaspoon of salt. So make sure it's level and just put your hand across it like that. Then we have some bicarbonate of soda. And again, just make sure it's level. Or just running your finger over like that. Or a knife. And all you do is just mix that around with your hand. So what you do is you just put a well in the middle. And then you're going to add your buttermilk. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, you can use normal milk. There's other variations, which I might show you a different day. And then all you're going to do is get your finger in there. That's the best way. And start in the centre. God, that's cold. It's been from the fridge. And you're literally just going to mix that around, starting in the middle, working your way outwards. And just get all kind of fingers and thumb, like a claw-like action, until it gets around to the outside. So it all comes together. It takes 2 seconds to do. Really doesn't take long. Just keep going round like that. And when it's all come together, go and wash your hands. Right, so now onto your worktop, just sprinkle some flour. Sprinkle a little bit of flour into your mixture here. And you're just going to gather this up so you can put it onto your surface. So you just put the flour to stop it from sticking to the bowl. So to kind of put some around the edge. And as soon as it's not sticking anymore, bring it out to your work surface and get some more flour and just put that on the top. And you're basically not going to need it. You're kind of just gathering it together. And the flour will help gather this all together. And then you're basically going to cup your fingers to the bottom like this. So you're going to get a nice round bit of dough. And gather that flour up towards your dough. Okay, and then what you want to do is on your baking tray, just put some flour as well. And just gather underneath, lift your dough, put it onto your tray, and then just pat it down so it's roughly about 1.5 inches to 2 inches thick. Okay, so just get a bit of flour onto your knife, a nice sharp knife. And what you want to do is cut across into your bread. Now traditionally, this is a blessing of the bread in Ireland. It's almost all the way to the bottom. Nice deep cross. And this will help it cook in the middle. And you can even kind of separate it a little bit like this with your fingers. And then the other thing is to just poke a little hole in each of the quarters. And that traditionally was to allow the fairies to come out the bread that might have been up to mischief. And now we're going to bake this in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. So you can see that this looks ready, but just to double check, you can tip it upside down and you can just give it a knock here. And you can hear that hollow sound, then you know it's definitely ready. Doesn't that look amazing? So we're just going to cut this bread up It's nice and crispy on the outside, and look at that on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? And the smell is gorgeous. So let's take a bit of this now and slice it up. Look at that. Amazing. So now I'm just going to get some butter and butter this gorgeous Irish white soda bread. Let it just melt in. Just cut this in half. So now I'm going to have this with my nice cup of tea. Lovely. I hope you try it. It's so easy to make and so delicious.